Hi guys, Manny Hanif here. I've not done a video on YouTube for a while, but I came across this website called picoworkers.com where you can make money, and if you want to outsource small tasks, you can do that as well. Okay, so basically the first thing that you can do is sign up to this website. So all you gotta do is, if you want to decide as to whether you want to sign up as an employer, where you can get people to sort of do little tasks for you, or if you want to make money, you can sign up as a worker where you can do small tasks. So the purposes of this video, I'm going to sign up as a worker, which I've done. Okay, so I'm going to log in right now, and just for signing up you get paid. Okay, so I'm just going to log into my account. Okay, so as you can see, I've just generated 50 cents just by signing up. Okay, so as you can see here on this website, you can see a lot of these workers have posted small jobs that you can apply for. Okay, so if I just click on small jobs, and it says jobs with more than 60 positions are shown in color. Okay, so these are the jobs that are available right now. As you can see, these are the payouts. Okay, so for example, you can get paid 40 cents if you go to Facebook apps, create an account. You can basically get paid this amount of money for little small tasks. So create a Gmail account. So if I just click on this job here, and it says go to gmail.com, sign up using any USA mail name. You can take one from here. Use this recovery email, and then just simply upload a photo of a mail, and then you get paid 8 cents. Now again, sometimes it might not be a lot of money. I mean, this all adds up. It all depends on what you want to do. And as a worker, you can also see that some of the people who have made money with this strategy. So in terms of the jobs that pay the most, you can see which jobs are paying the most. So as you can see here, this one is paying 70 cents. All you got to do is connect 911, download and install, and just follow these instructions really. Some of the people who are posted probably have a lot of CPA offers that they want you to complete, but it's just a no-brainer, this website. Okay, so if you want to make money on the side doing little tasks, then go to picoworkers.com, sign up as a worker. Now, as an employer, okay, you can actually post jobs as well. So as you can see, you can actually click on sign up, and again, once you've signed up, you can just fill out your information. Okay, now as an employer, let me just log into my dummy account. So as an employer, you can basically post simple small jobs. So if I just go to start a new small job, so I'm going to click on start a new small job. Okay, and you can basically select which countries you want to exclude. I'll just pick international. Then you can basically, if you want to grow your sort of YouTube subscribers, you can do this. So you can go to YouTube, subscribe to a channel. Okay, so you can basically pay, let's say, 0.05 cents to each worker. Have at least, let's say, 50 subscribers, so it doesn't cost you $3. Okay, so I'm just going to post subscribe to my YouTube video. So just put down subscribe to my YouTube video and get paid. And then this is the way you're going to be posting simple instructions. I'm just going to pause this video for now. So as you can see, guys, I have basically said what needs to be done. Go to youtube.com/user Manny Hanif, hit subscribe, and it says workers must be able to finish any task in a short period of time. Okay, so you cannot ask workers things like click 5 ads, click banners for 1 day, keep inviting friends. Okay, it says you can use these tags and will be replaced with worker ID. Okay, so required proof of job finished. You can ask for maximum 4 items for proof. Okay, so I'll put screenshot or message. Now I'm going to do is submit the job. Oh, okay, it says you don't have enough money to start the job, $3 required. So basically I need to deposit $3 to this account. Okay, so minimum, I think minimum you have to deposit at least $10. So it says before you deposit, every user receives a sign-up bonus that to test Pickle Workers for free. Make sure you don't test to see if Pickle Workers works for you. So they give you actually a test, like a free trial, which is really cool, which is really nice for them. The next thing to do is you can basically deposit money. Okay, so you can deposit by card. So you click on $10 or whatever, and then you simply enter your email, card information, name on card, and then just pay the $10. So I'm just going to pause the video. Okay, so now this has been deposited. Okay, so you basically need to post the actual job that I was going to do. So I'm just going to pause the video. Okay, so that's done, and now I'm just going to submit the job. As you can see, get a job ID. We will review your job and approve it as soon as possible. This can take up to 12 hours. So this is done, guys, and it's a great website. If you've got any questions, then please let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.